Going to your car. Fantasy motorsports, yeah. Motorsports, fantasy motorsports. Going to your car.
What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna show you guys how to install a 2-channel amplifier JO audio system on a 2002 Cadillac Escalade. Stay tuned.
It's the only spot. Back when I felt more free. Back when I smoked more weed. Back when I drove up and down 92 with a view of the moon and you in my passenger seat. That was so good. That was all gone. It's what it is cause we both moved on. At least we had memories. And we also got this song. Yeah.
It's been way too long since I seen you looking in your eyes. Right about the time and stand. I know I have you back. I guess I'm tripping now. Sometimes I start missing you cause you ain't nothing quite like you. Love like this keeps going and going. I cannot forget you.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for our next build. Peace.
Going to your car. Fantasy motorsports, motorsports, fantasy motorsports. Going to your car.